Do you want to lose weight but you have a large appetite? This makes you worry and wish you could eat what you desire as much as you like and not gain excess weight. This is the reality for many, but there are healthy replacement foods that are low in calories. Eating these can help you say goodbye to excessive weight gain and make you feel satisfied after each meal. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will unveil the foods that you can eat a lot of and not gain weight. The last one will surprise you. Stay tuned. First, let's define what we mean by a lot. It's important to note that there is no specific amount of food that fits this definition for everyone. Everyone's bodies are different and have different caloric needs. With that said, we'll be focusing on foods that are generally lower in calories and higher in volume, so you can eat a decent amount without going overboard on calories. These foods have some features in common, which include having low calories, being mostly made up of water, and being rich in fiber, which will do the work of filling you up. You may be wondering about their nutrient content since they are not high in protein, but do not be afraid because they contain antioxidants, vitamins, and other essential nutrients that will be of great benefit to your body system. Now let's get on to the food. Leafy greens. This is an age-old secret to losing and not adding weight. If you eat leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce, which are low in calories and high in fiber, you can say goodbye to excessive weight gain. 1 cup of raw spinach, for example, has just 7 calories and almost 1 gram of fiber. On your next meal, add some leafy greens to your sandwiches, salads, and smoothies to get lots of nutrients and low calories. Fruits. Fruits are another great option for weight loss. They're high in fiber and water, which can help you feel full and satisfied. In addition, fruits are a great source of vitamins and minerals. If you specifically want fruits that have fewer calories, eat berries, citrus fruits, and apples. Vegetables. Just like fruits, vegetables are high in fiber and water, making them great for weight loss. They're also low in calories and packed with nutrients. Some good options include cabbage, broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Lean proteins. Getting enough protein is important for weight loss and maintenance, as it can help you feel full and satisfied. Lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, and fish are lower in calories and fat compared to other protein sources like red meat. So switch from eating red meat to these protein sources and say goodbye to weight gain. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are a great source of plant-based protein and are also high in fiber, which can help with weight loss. These proteins have been working wonders for a long time, and they are in abundance. Some options include lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Whole grains. When it comes to weight loss, avoid eating refined grains. You must instead choose whole grains because they can help with weight loss since they are higher in fiber and nutrients. Some good options include quinoa, oats, and brown rice. Low-fat dairy. Dairy products can be a good source of protein and calcium, but they can also be high in fat. However, you have the option of going for low-fat or fat-free versions of dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese to cut down on calories. Water. Last but not least, don't forget about the importance of staying hydrated. This may surprise you that it made the list, but the importance of water cannot be overemphasized. Water has 0 calories and can help you feel full and satisfied. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. You need to understand that eating too much food is most likely going to make you gain weight. However, with the content of these foods, the chances of you eating them in excess are quite unlikely. Remember, it's important to pay attention to portion sizes and to focus on a balanced diet overall. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you reach your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content on health issues and healthy living.